I'm Stephanie Slade. I'm with Northern California Homeschool Convention. We started the event last year, really with a vision just encourage and support and equip families on their homeschooling journey, whether they've just starting or they're 10-year veterans. We've got amazing sponsors like Luminous Minds.
Hi, I'm Chandra, Program Director with Luminous Minds, and our team is out here at the Northern California Homeschool Convention. Such an incredible event over the last 2 days. We've got a vendor booth set up in the vendor hall. We're meeting lots of great families and parents that have started their journey into homeschool.
I have a 5-year-old and she is very, very interested in reading and writing, and right now we only have one resource. So when I came across the table, I was like, whoa, there's a lot of really great materials, and she's super helpful.
We also had the opportunity to speak earlier this afternoon, giving parents strategies and tips on how to effectively teach reading at home.
I'm very passionate about personalized learning. It's the understanding that all children learn in unique and different ways. And as a parent choosing to homeschool, you're able to select the best resources, content, and tools that work best for your child or your children. Right? Get creative if they have a stuffed animal they love, or you can get out your creativity. This is David the Dancing Dinosaur. He helps me teach all my kids.
Expect to leave with your cup really full, probably overflowing. It's really a day to get encouraged and equipped and go home feeling ready to start your school year.
It's been a wonderful event, and I'm just really looking forward to all the parents that are going to be able to access our supplemental reading resources.
I'm really excited for the different avenues and the different aspects of reading and writing through Luminous Minds.